everyone, Jason Friesen here. For the last 5 months, I have been working with De Friesen's Music and More to create Low German music and other gospel resources. Those of you who know us know that my parents Dietrich and Nettie Friesen have been in this ministry for the last 5 years, and we've been all over the place presenting the gospel of Jesus to colony Mennonites in North and South America. We translate and write Low German music, create Bible study and Sunday school materials, and travel around singing and preaching so that others may come to know Jesus. My wife Tia and I met at Bible school a few years ago, got married, and have been blessed with a beautiful daughter. During our time in college, I would help my parents out with music programs and other projects during my spare time. But in September 2020, I started working with them half-time under the umbrella organization Multi-Nation Missions Foundation. And if you want to learn more about them and their mission, you can check out their website, which I have linked down in the description. Some of my main responsibilities are helping with CD recordings and performing at programs. I also do a lot of design work for them, so I make any CD covers, posters, or prayer cards that we need. I'm working on a Low German group Bible study guide on the Gospel of Mark, which will follow along the radio program Kjikj Nopp by my brother Andrew, also in the description if you want to check it out. We are also getting started on notating the Low German songbook that my parents published a few years ago, and I am planning on creating a Low German guitar lesson series of videos online. So as you can tell, that's a pretty big job list for someone who's only working half-time. However, I'm excited to say that the plan is for me to start full-time in this ministry in June 2021. I will be doing lots of the same things that I have been doing until now, but one more project that I'll be working on is doing programming for the Low German radio RadioPlaut. I will be responsible for doing the programming and scheduling for this station, which is on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all online. So if you want to check it out now already, there will be a link in the description for this radio station too. Seeing as this is a non-profit position, any income I make is by donation from generous donors who support this ministry. So if you feel led to support in this way, I will have a link below that you can follow to donate. Please also keep me in your prayers, as your prayer support is definitely needed, felt, and very much appreciated. And if you want to sign up for my quarterly newsletter updates, you can email me at jasonfriesen325@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and God bless.